I'll start with linking food behavior and depression, and I think it kind of continues where Mariela and Mary left, because what we have done, we have looked at the food behavior, but not really at the level of food intake so much or nutrient intake, but more kind of what are food-related behaviors around it. So basically the kind of a background to the work in Work Package 2 has been that there is an increasing interest in the association between depression and quality of diet, and as we heard, that the quality of diet has been linked to lower depressive symptoms and depression. But however, what we actually eat, and there were some examples how the social environment actually has an impact on how different factors influence whether something is, for example, linked to the depression or depressive symptoms. So what we actually consume is pretty much related to different choices and practices that we have around the food. And they are such like food conditioning, shopping, cooking skills, meal patterns, and mindfulness and emotional eating, the style of eating. So what we have done first of all, we did a survey, cross-sectional survey in 2 countries, Denmark and Spain, because those 2 countries are probably extremely very different in a way. The food culture and the way of eating is built related to what is eaten and when what is eaten and at what time. And one of the things we actually wanted to do is to look at the meal pattern without really thinking about so much what people eat. And what we found that actually it's a regular meal pattern that is linked to better diet quality and lower depressive symptoms in this cross-sectional data. We had about 1,500 respondents from each country, so the data sets are pretty big. But what we actually did, we clustered people according to their meal patterns. And what we find people who have regular meal pattern, low snacking, and that's about 50 over half of the people in both cultures. So it's actually countries, it's actually quite a big portion that say that they eat pretty frequent meals. Then we had some regular meal eaters who actually snacked quite a lot between the meals and didn't really ask what they snacked. We just asked whether to eat something between breakfast and lunch and dinner and after dinner. But then we also had about 19% in Denmark and 16% in Spain, people who have an irregular meal pattern, so they don't really eat that many meals, but they don't actually snack too much either. But this group is probably the one who, if you look at the quality of when they report the frequency of foods that they eat, that has the worst diet quality. So in a way, it seems to be that the regular meals are actually pretty important in making or kind of supporting healthy eating. Another thing that I would like to raise from our findings is from the same survey, and what we actually did. Again, I think one of the really interesting things about those results were that they don't really differ that much between the 2 cultures, 2 countries with very different food cultures and very different practices. And this is combined data from Denmark and Spain as well. And what we looked at was how the food conditioning practices are related to quality of diet index, which was actually linked to depressive symptoms in our data. And what we can see that if you look at the behavior outside home, that actually has an impact on the quality of diet, how much we eat food on the go, and that's on the other hand related to our tendencies like impulsive buying. It's also what we do at home, for example, what kind of foods we store at home, what we have bought, whether we cook from the raw materials or not. And that, of course, is linked to what kind of cooking skills we have. And instead of thinking about any details of how these links, how strong they are, or what do they mean, I think the big message here is that food-related behaviors are related. So in a way, often we study one of them at a time, and then we say that something happens. But one should actually pretty much think about the whole food-related anything related to as a system, where one part of the system actually has an impact on the other. So we should actually have a better understanding of this whole relationships and think about them as systems rather than individual behaviors. And I think then I hand over to Laura.
Okay, so I will now tell you something about the research that I conducted, and that was on mindful eating. And mindful eating can be explained as eating with awareness and attention. So I wanted to look at the links between mindful eating and depression, but to be able to do that, we needed to measure mindful eating. And when I started, there were already some questionnaires, but they had a lot of flaws. So we decided to develop our own questionnaire. And this is the mindful eating behavior scale. And the final version consists of 17 items which make up 4 domains. So we have questions on if people pay attention to the food, so do they look at the food and smell it, if they eat when they are hungry and stop when they are full, if they don't eat automatically but really with awareness, and also if people don't eat with distraction, so while multitasking. And we measured this in 3 samples, also in the survey that was just mentioned in Denmark and Spain, but also in the Netherlands in the longitudinal aging study Amsterdam. And what I found there, so this is just one example because otherwise it would be too much. Consistently in the 3 countries we found that higher mindful eating was associated with lower depressive symptoms. So in all 3 countries, and only the domain eating in response to hunger and satiety cues was not associated, but the other 3 domains were. So then we thought, what might be underlying mechanisms? So what could possibly potentially explain those findings? At first we looked at eating styles. Sorry, the title is wrong, but these are eating styles. And what we found here was that external eating, and external eating is eating based on attractive food cues from the environment. For example, when you're walking in the street and you smell something nice, and if you want to eat this, we found that if people score higher on mindful eating, then they have lower, so they are less influenced by those external cues, and therefore they have less depressive symptoms. So this is one of the potential underlying mechanisms that we found. And then we also looked at food intake. And what we found here was that the quantity, so the calories consumed, was also a potential underlying mechanism. So people score higher on mindful eating, they consume less calories, and this leads them to less depressive symptoms. Okay, so as Marjolein said, we also conducted a web-based intervention. We did that in both Denmark and Netherlands. And in this intervention we had courses, we developed courses on healthy eating and also some food-related behaviors. We compared that to a control group, so people that received a sustainability course that was non-food related. And feasibility, we wanted to look at if you give people such a web-based course, do they change their behavior, do they like it, do they finish the intervention, but also are people who score higher on depressive symptoms, can these type of interventions also work for them? So in general, because we have a lot of data and I have to be quick, what we found were that these interventions were in general feasible. So we found, although we had a quite high rate of attrition, so almost half of the people that started the course did not finish it, or did not fill out a follow-up questionnaire. We found that those people did not differ, so people that completed it or not did not differ on variables like age, education level, BMI, depressive symptoms, so that was not a factor. And then we looked at user experience. So first we looked at how easy do people find these courses. And in general they found all courses quite easy, except for mindful eating. They found it a bit more difficult, but also this course was experienced most fun. So people liked it the most. That might be due because this new concept, so it might be more difficult to change, but therefore it's also quite interesting. And what we see regarding the depressive symptoms, we did not find any differences between people low and high in depressive symptoms. Not for the number of times logged in, not on user experience, not in the changes that they made. So we do see that they score lower in the beginning, so they do seem less healthy and they have more disordered eating behaviors. The change between people low and high depressive symptoms is not different. So if we then look at all of our findings together, we see that food-related behaviors are potentially linked to depression, but then we have to think about how can we change them and also how can we change food intake. So for mindful eating, we see that it's also potentially linked to depression, but I have to mention that these are the very first studies conducted on this topic, so much more research is needed for us. And we see for the online approaches, we see that they might work in people with moderate levels of depression, because we have to mention that the level of depressive symptoms of people in the course was not that high. So then the most difficulty was attracting those people, so the people that need it the most are less willing to participate, so that's also a lesson. And